Hello friends, welcome to another video, and this question is asked in December 10. Okay, so we're going to look to this question, and what this question says that what is the total current. Okay, so we need to find a total current supplied by a battery, this battery of 6 volt, to the circuit, okay, for a given circuit. You can see over here that the circuit which is provided to us, okay, is not a regular kind of circuit. It's a circular circuit. Okay, so they just examiner want to just want to make a ball, and he just I imagine as a ball and he just put a resistance over here, just for a fun. So let it be. We will redraw the circuit, just to for our better understanding. We will read out a circuit, but before that, what we asked is the total current. Okay, so we need to find our total current, and from the Ohm's law we have a formula for current, that is I is equals to V upon R. That's so simple. Okay, so we just need to find we just need to know total voltage. Okay, that is V, and that what we also had provided, that is 6 volt, and we need to find a total resistance, that is R. Okay, which is not given to us. We need to first find the total resistance of this circuit over here. Okay, after that, by putting both the value, we can easily find our current, that is what we call as total current. So to find the total current, we need to know total voltage and also total resistance. That is so simple. Okay, so let's begin. We will first redraw our circuit, which is given in a fancy way, in a circular way, and this is how our circuit will look. Okay, please note that this is a negative which I mistakenly drawn. Let me correct my mistake. That is positive and that is negative. So this is a negative part and this is a positive part of battery. Okay, so this is my circuit will look like, which is given me in a circular way, and I just straight up its all edges. You can see over here, I just did this thing. Okay, I just straight up all the edges. I formed all the edges and I get this circuit over here. So this is our circuit. Okay, and we need to find just a total resistance of the circuit. It is so simple to find a total resistance of a circuit. We know that, uh, just start combining a resistance, individual resistance. Okay, so we will combine the individual resistance and we will form a one big resistance. Okay, so the first thing I will start from is that 2 and 6 ohm resistance over here. Okay, I will combine this 2 and 6 ohm resistance. As you can see, these two resistance are in parallel, so I will write, my first step will be 2 ohm parallel with 6 ohm will give me, by doing that you will get 1.5 ohm. Okay, so when this two resistance will combine, the resultant resistance will be of 1.5 ohm, and I will redraw my circuit over here, okay, to show the 1.5 ohm resistance. So this is my battery, this is negative, positive, and here's one resistance, and there's a point, a node, and another resistance which I just combined and formed. Okay, this is 1.5 ohm resistance. Okay, here's a 3 ohm resistance, that is 3. Oops, this is 3, and I purposely showing this 1.5 ohm resistance is this 1.5. Okay, so I combined this 2 ohm resistance and 6 ohm resistance to form this 1.5 ohm resistance. Now you can see this two resistance, that is 1.5 ohm resistance and another 1.5 ohm resistance, are in series. Okay, this is my 6. So I will write, I will combine them. Okay, I will also combine them to form another resistance. Okay, so step 2, this is my step 1. and now this is my step 2, and I will say 1.5 ohm resistance plus 1.5 ohm resistance give me 3 3 ohm resistance. Okay, so this is my step 2, and I will again redraw a circuit. Just, it's a time consumed, but you need to do, because examiner will check that all steps are covered properly. So I need to redraw again my circuit, that is this over here, and now I am having this resistance over here and another resistance over here and this battery over here. So this is my 6 volt battery, this is my 3, need to change a color, 3 ohm resistance which I just found, and this is my 3 ohm resistance which is given. Now you can see these two resistance are in parallel, so I will write my third step, that is third step, 3 ohm parallel with 3 ohm will give me 1.5 ohm of resistance, that is RTH. Now this is my RTH, so my RTH is 1.5, oops, 1.5 ohm. Okay, so I found my RTH, I know my battery value, sorry, voltage value, that is 6 volt. So it's just by Ohm's law, my fourth step. Okay, by Ohm's law, current I is equals to total voltage upon total resistance of circuit. Voltage is given 6 and resistance which we just found, that is 1.5. Sorry for that loud telephone tone, that is 1.5. So after solving this, you will get that current value, that is I, is 4 amperes. Okay, so that what we asked in this problem, that is find the total current, and that is I, which is 4 amperes. Okay, thank you.